how to delete your PayPal account. So basically, if you'd like to delete your PayPal account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the PayPal application, and right over here you can see that I'm currently logged into my account, right? So go ahead and also log into your PayPal account. Now after you log into your PayPal account, and then I would like to go ahead and then let's say delete my account. To delete my account, make sure you don't have any funds or pending transactions inside your PayPal account. And after you've made sure of that, tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then from there you'll find all these options where you'll find this trash icon also that says close your account. So just tap on the close your account button right there, and as you've done that, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now from here what you have to do is you can simply choose to resolve your account limitations, and once done you'll be able to close your account on PayPal. This way you should be able to close your PayPal account and delete them for good. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.